Folks, niko kwa apartment fulani hapa London. They have some vacant units for rent for 25,000, others for 22,000. I'm about to leave. Let me just show you the face of this place. You know, that's the apartment. It is right here at London in Nakuru. Now, yeah, so I'm going to drive from here, pass through London. Again, you know, I show you, Maze, why this London needs to upgrade, you know, the real estate, okay? Their real estate department. Because sasa Maze, we should be having things like this here at London, and even better, you know, better finishings. Kuizi Maze, people are keen with things like even light. EZRA yo nyumba ina light, staki yo nyumba. Can you imagine? So while you do your designs, Maze, just get an architect, okay? Architect, like concept builders, wakuundie nyumba yako vizuri. They factor in all those factors, you know, light, you know, elevation, you know, parking, you know, like they look at all those factors, alafu ndo wana design nyumba. Sawa sawa. So now tutoke hapa hivi tunaenda paka ofisi. Haya, let's go. Lando. Alafu ya apartment iko place poa kabisa. Imagine hapa London, you just get out of your house, you get onto a tarmac road. Can you imagine this place, man? Why can't this place just upgrade? You get out of the house, you get onto a tarmac road. How nice. See, this is nice. This is wonderful. Naka don't have this. Imagine Naka is quite well developed, but they don't have tarmac roads. Yeah. But London, they have them. Angalia kule shikando Maze, shamba iko tu kando ya barabara. Imelala tu. Manze. London, you just get out of the house and you step on tarmac. And then from here to town, 1 kilometer is barely a kilometer actually. From here to West Side Mall is like a kilometer. From here to Tower 1 is at the heart of the city. It's like 1.5 km. You know? So this is a wonderful place. This is one place where if I have money, that 1 billion, I talked with God. When I get it, London is the place to invest. Imagine place iko na angalia tu vile lami zinapita mzuri huku bana. Look at this place. The road network is awesome. But sasa they don't have as many modern apartments. In fact, there are very, very few modern apartments here at London. I love this place. Just see how the roads are connecting here. See. Man. Whoa. Hey. Let's go up again. You can see just beside the road, Maze. Ni shamba tu zimelala tu. Ile capital tu ya 1 billion. When I get it. Maze, mimi napenda ujenzi sana. Lakini si kujenga tu. You know, the other day I was having a conversation with some structural engineers. These guys wananiambia, okay, niliuliza tu like how come unaenda apartment zingine unapata, yani unaangalia nyumba ni tudogo, nyumba unashangaa hii nyumba kwani waliplan aje? Haina light. Wakani Wakaniambia saa ingine si makosa yao, makosa si yao. So unapata somebody anakuja pale, okay, mtu anataka kuinvest, we can call them a landlord. Yeye anamwambia nataka hiyo floor moja ingie nyumba 5. Lakini architect na structural engineer in their initial plan wameangalia wakaona hapa ikienda floor 3 ikienda nyumba 3 per floor, hiyo kitu itatoka supu. But sasa mazee, mwenye anataka kujengewa nyumba yeye amekuja na preconceived mind. Ashapiga paka revenue, ashapiga paka capital. Hii nyumba zikiingia 5, nitakuwa nachukua rent ya hivi. Yaani ashapiga hizo hesabu zote. So architects na engineers wakimwambia hapa wacha tuweke hivi, anaona hapana, nyinyi jua vile zitaingia 5. So that's why sometimes unapata nyumba imetoka sijui aje. Nyumba iko na makona, mahali nyingine imepiga V, rooms zingine ziko na V, zingine ziko aje. Mwenye alisema mimi nataka nyumba zangu 5 hapo per floor. Sasa sometimes wakaniambia msikue mna blame engineers na architects. You know, makosa iko wapi? Ni vile mwenye alisema mimi nataka nyumba 5 kwa floor. Architect aliona hapa ni 3. Hapana, mimi nataka nyumba 5. So ana squeeze. But anyway, this is London. Again, see tu vile the roads na connect hapa vizuri. Lando. Yeah. This is a wonderful place. This is a wonderful place. Pale kuna apartment moja. Sasa ile ndio inaenda kuwa signature ya hapa London. Let me just stop there and see these manenos. Sasa this one is going to be the signature of here at London. There is one apartment. There is one somebody who has seen the need. Yeah, that one is even. Unaona hiyo hapo. Unaona hiyo. There is somebody here who has seen the need of what I'm talking about. There is need to upgrade the real estate hapa London. You know, these guys. So the skeleton is up. Wacha nione hii kitu. Mimi napenda ujenzi mbaya. Yeah, ndo hiyo hapo. You see, sasa this one is going to be a signature, you know, here in London. Vitu kama hizo ndio tunataka hapa bana. This London bana. You know? Yeah, no need to go inside. I'll visit them wakimaliza. But you know, that's the way to go. That is the way to go here in London. They have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the ground floor. So again, you can see there is the possibility of going that high here at London in Nakuru. Folks, yes, I got up on the rooftop. That's where I am. So this how far the project is. The skeleton is done. Now, you know, the rest of the stages ndo zinaendelea. Nimeona some plumbing works pale zikifanyika. You know, so yeah, in a few months time, this place will be ready. They have 1 bedrooms and bed sitters. I think they just hit the right market for, you know, here at London. 1 bedrooms and bed sitters, more than 1 bedroom of course, and bed sitters. You can see from here, from where I'm standing to that hotel, that's a hotel, the one looking white. You know, that's the, you know, those are like the few modern buildings here at London. There is another project right there. There's another project in the distance, also at the same stage like this one. And now they were keen when designing so that they can get that view of the lake. Everybody wants to get that view of the lake. Although kuna wazee waliniambia actually EZRA, the days of that lake mazee tuseme, they are gone. Hawa wazee wananiambia they used to be, you know, kutoka pale juu Kiamunyi, looking down, all they could see is pink. You know, those were the glory days of Lake Nakuru. That's why it once was called the Pink Lake. Yani wakikaa pale, they could only see pink. Auoni hata tone la maji down there at Lake Nakuru. But still, iko tu pale bado, it's a place one can always visit. Aya, sasa wacha niende kabisa. Wacha niende kabisa sasa chini. So we continue. Let's go to the office tufanya kazi zingine na huko. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul. We can even go like this. Boy. I just want you to enjoy the road network in London. Ah, boy. This place is wonderful. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Imagine even matatus, they just drop you right at your gate. This is Naloki matatu, Nakuru, London, Kiamonyi. They pass here, they come from town, pass at London, then they continue to Kiamonyi. So mpaka matatu, they just drop people right here on their gate, on their doorstep. Folks, London, Nakuru, this place is prime. I love the road network here. There are street lights, there are pedestrian walkways, the trenches well done, the drainage, so this place doesn't flood. Can you imagine? This is a wonderful place. Give way. So now I've joined the highway. Now I'll just give way, then I continue. Alright, so can continue. London, Nakuru, London Estate. Even a mall just somewhere here. It doesn't have to be a big mall, you know, just a decent commercial place here at London. It can also work just along the highway here. A decent commercial center. It doesn't have to be a huge mall, you know, like the EZRA mall. No, but you know, just a cozy mall in a way. It will work. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. Let me sing to God so that He can listen to me, so that 1 billion can come. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul. I am going to play that song at home with a loud sound. Eka sauti yote mpaka watu kuupload tumetoka London. We are from London now. We have arrived at Kiamonyi, the lush green. Then sings my soul, my Savior unto thee. How great thou art. Folks, I'm actually going to Barnabas again. Where? I'm just going to pick my camera and go to Barnabas. I have some work to do there as well. How great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior. Ezra, office yako inakuanga wapi? I am here at Olivine Auto DJ Mall, 2nd floor. Visit me there for business. Then sings my soul, my Savior unto thee. Just stop. Folks, don't forget, Ezra is your errands guy. If you want Ezra to go here, go there, go see your project, you know, go take some pictures for your project, go bring you progress of your project, go send me for a site visit, there's a project you want to start. Ezra is your errands person in Nakuru. Ezra, go here, go there. Aya.